Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Kicks and Fits. I'm sorry fellas, but this episode is for my ladies. I have with me the women's Jordan 11 Olive Luxe. Now what makes these 11 special? Well, they're part of the holiday collection and they've added some spice. So they swapped out the standard mesh upper for an olive suede and they upgraded the traditional leather overlay for more suede, and it's covered in glitter. Yes ladies, they stepped it up for us. They know how we like to shine. Another feature is the gold Jordan Jumpman hardware that you'll find on the heel, paired with the white midsole and gum bottom. These shoes have more like a gold touch to it. That glitter is definitely noticeable every time you move it. I feel like that highlight look is in now, so it's perfect. Today, I'm gonna switch it up. I feel like these shoes have more of like a one-tone gold feel to it. If I pair it with the right oversized sweater and a jacket, come on. Then you got the green on the feet. I really think it plays with this orange well too, and it brings out the gold in the shoe. But I'm gonna try to step out of my comfort zone, so I won't grab sweats this time, maybe. I hate the cold. I hate feeling the wind touch my face, so I look for stuff like this that'll be comfy, loose, but still cute. Wow, even these look good. See, it's a little cold for me for this, but see how it brings out like these colors? Oh yes, look at this. Okay, my outfit's done. I feel like this jacket really complements these shoes. Plays with like the colors, it has different greens. Now I just need something to wear underneath it, right? Oh. Forget green. We're not doing green anymore. Look at this. I like bright colors. I feel like this is not something that you would normally see in the winter time, but these colors are definitely in, like the bright oranges, reds. Makes that Jordan emblem really pop out. This is like the perfect way not to overmatch. No, I'm not gonna do pants. That's why I said I wanted it to be big. So now I'm just looking for some high socks. I know they have the socks that have like the little embroidery on them. Ooh, yes, and buy one, get one 50% off. Oh, the Puerto Rican flag, yes. All right, I'm ready. All right, y'all, I'm back with my fit. So I definitely wanted to go for like a sporty, still cute look. I got my sweatshirt in an extra large. I love the color, it really popped out to me. I think it really works with like the glitter look on the shoe. Paired it with this olive green jacket. I'm warm, I feel comfortable, and I feel cute. I paired it with like these smoky socks, which I thought were awesome. It doesn't match too much, but it brings out a nice color in the shoe. Overall, I'm happy. I could walk out right now and just feel like I own this place, you know? So let me know what you think. Leave a comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.